भाई साहब
चल रहा है।
मान्य प्रणाम।
Honorable Goddess Saraswati, Brahmalike Om, Bharat Mata, and our chief guest. Today we are assembled here to celebrate English Week. Today is the 7th day of English Week. I am present here to introduce my chief guest and other honorable persons who are sitting as a guest. Just on my left side, most honorable and most popular, our familiar personality, Mr. Ram Manohar, Dr. Ram Manohar ji, Sangathan Mantri of Kashipram, under whose guidance we always express our ideas and thoughts among the students. He always guides us so that we can be able to do our work in proper quality. Our chief guest, Dr. K.V. Singh Sakya, we are too much lucky that today among us such personalities present whose darshan is too much impossible. I want to say about him that he is most learned, lover of musician, lover of music, lover of literature, lover of all academic aspects. What I say about him is not much. It means the personality who is sitting among us as a chief guest, his life passed in Vidya Bharati schools. He was also like a principal in Vidya Bharati school, Kanpur, and I mean that after then, due to his looming personality, our government decided to select him as a member of Union Public Service Commission. No doubt, whatever is said about him, everything is short. Just beside him, our most loving and honorable principal, Mr. Yugal Kishore Mishra ji, under whose guidance we always do our work honestly and dutifully. And today our topic, as you know that importance of English language in 21st century. On this topic, our chief guest will deliver his speech, give his views to us. Before this, I request my honorable principal to reward our guest. Thank you, sir. As we know that we are celebrating English Week. In this schedule, a number of scholars have given their views on this topic, and today whose views we are now getting is Mr. K.V. Singh Sark. I request, sir, please come here and guide us by your glorious speech.
Goddess of wisdom, wit and learning, Ma Saraswati, creator of this whole universe, oh, and the supporter of this country to us, all of us, with this huge family, Bharat Mata. Most devoted, intellectual, spiritual personality as Sanatan Patri, Dr. Saab, distinguished principal, and all honorable teachers who are gathered here to share the views. As we are observing the English week, English week is very good experiment to strengthen weak English. English week is an experiment to strengthen weak English, but it is not solution. Solution is imagination, self-motivation. So if we start, we can complete the destination and achieve it without any problem. Where start, where begun is half done. It is very well approved saying in English. Today I will discuss only one sentence. Only one sentence is a starter student. Listen to everyone, to share, to message, to record and to recollect the weird English, to lose and to use it. This is only one sentence. The deep starter student. Listen to everyone, to record, to share, to recollect, to reuse and use the weird English to everyone. This simple sentence leads the whole inspiration of spoken English. Fact is that all of us can speak very well, but problem is that we never start smoothly, freely, frankly and sincerely. So if we start to speak English, we can speak English very well, very easily. So I suggest you through this sentence, a deep. Deep means whatever we say, whatever we read, we should go the derivation. For example, I speak the term agriculture. When I go to the depth of this word, I will see that the term agriculture is derived from agra. Agra means the past. When we go in the depth of any word, we never forget. Problem is that we believe in spoon feeding. Whatever we speak, whatever we say, but we never go in the depth of that word or sentence. That's why always try to go in the depth of word or sentence. Every sentence, every word has its derivation, its application. So generally, we don't think, we don't bother. It takes a very small period of time. Kishanveer, Dr. Kishanveer. When I listen this word, Kishanveer, Krishna, I have heard Krishna, but he is Kishan. How Kishan has come into practice? Then I will think he belongs to a village where people cannot pronounce Krishna correctly. So they started to say Kishan, Kishan, Kishan gaon wala. So when we go in the derivation of Kishan, Krishna has converted into Kishan. It is due to the locality or the area of the place. This is called derivation and depth. It takes no time. It takes no energy. It takes no resource. But it makes us permanently learningful. Whatever we speak, we should go deep. First word is deep. Second, starter. Deep starter, student. Starter words, starter here in this sentence, we should collect a few words to start the sentence. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Principal, are you Mr. here? Yes, sir. May I talk to you right now? May I talk to you right now? This is starter sentence. Mr. will think, yes, of course. Why not? So these starting words and phrases. May I talk to you now? May I take this seat? May I respect you? May I help you? May I come towards you? May I come to you? These are the starter words, starter sentence. A.G. Gardiner has said, little courtesies of starting, like as please, thank you, let me say, let me go, may I help you, may I with you. These are the starter of spoken English. If we use these starter, our spoken English, our language will be very rhythmical, will be very harmonious, will be very amicable, will be very lovable, will be very affectionate, will be very motivating. So first thing is deep. Always go into the depth of word or sentence. Second word is starter. Starter sentences and starter words. You should correct only 10 to 20 starter words. First is deep, second is starter. Student. Don't be a student, be a learner. When we become the student, we always focus on the given derivation, on the given definition, on the given answers, and we becomes the road learner. So, if you want to be a good speaker of English, don't be a student, be a learner. Learn like as a learner. Don't think whether it is correct or incorrect. When we become the student, we always think there should be no chance of spelling mistake. There should be no chance of any type of mistake. In that case, when we become the student, we are not able to learn freely, smoothly, sincerely, without any hindrance. That's why don't be student, be the learner. First word is deal. First word is deal. Second word is starter. It means correct few starting sentences and words. Third word is speak aloud. Third word is student. Be a student. Don't be a student, be a learner. What I said? Don't be a student, be a learner. When we become a student, we go in the given mechanism. We follow the given formula and track. But when we are learner, we are free to do mistakes. That's why we should be a learner. First sentence started from a deep. First one is, please speak with me. Deep, starter, student. Listen. Listen means be a good listener. If you want to speak English while you are reading newspaper, you can start the audio and video from your mobile on spoken English on any topic. While you are reading newspaper, while you are walking on the way, you are on the morning walk, you can put your mobile in your pocket and you can start any audio on spoken English on any topic. You can listen to unconsciously without giving any time. So you should listen. Listen to everyone. In this sentence, I have made this sentence to recollect the views only. This is not a sentence. If you want to a good speaker, fluent speaker of English, you should be the deep thinker. You should be a student. You should not be a student. You should be a very good listener. To share everyone, you should not think that I will speak only in the class. I will speak only at the stage. I can speak everywhere where I have a chance or I do not have a chance, but I can speak. If there is no one, I can speak myself. Interact with yourself. So, to learn everyone, to share everyone, To the deep starter student listen to everyone. Everyone here it means not to listen to everyone, but you should express before everyone. At any time, at any place, before anyone, you should express. To share whatever we know. Generally, sharing is education. Sharing is education. If we share our ideas, if we share our knowledge, we can be a good learner, good speaker, good orator. Sharing with elder, sharing with the youngers, sharing with yourself is the best way to speak the best. To share and to record. Record means what I am saying here, he is recording. What don't bother if there is the question, there is the suggestion of recording. Oh, I made mistake in pronunciation. I may commit any mistake. So record. Please avoid me from recording. Don't say. Record yourself. And next day, listen to your recording. Then give your feedback. Give your input. Correct it and re-record it and again listen to it. This continuous and comprehensive process make you a good orator, good speaker. So recording, to record, to share, to message. Message to whom we can message? We have a very good family. Each ideas, own subject, own experience, own special feature, own capability, own attitude, own aptitude. But still we are confident, so we can share our experience, share our experiment with someone else through mobile, through any other place. So to record, re-record, share, message, to weird English. The weird English is very eccentric language, very deep language. It has two rules, it has three exceptions. It is the weakest language in respect of English grammar. So don't bother about grammar. The writer has said English grammar is the graveyard of English. English grammar is the graveyard of English. So there is relaxation. Don't focus on grammar. Don't go in deep rules and regulations of grammar. Learn some phrases. Connect them and start your speech. Today I am here to say that you have observed, organized, celebrated and the week of English. The week of English is to strengthen weak English. I have made this phrase. When we start with phrasal sentences, it creates great appeal. So please correct some starters, some idioms, some phrases, record them, analyze them, share them, message them, interact with themselves, interact with yourself, to lose and to use weird English. English is eccentric, English is weak language in respect of grammar. That's why you should use and lose. What? Suppose I have done a few mistakes today, lose them, throw them in the abyss. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow is unborn, present is here, grab it here. Don't bother about yesterday, don't think about tomorrow, focus on present. Yesterday is gone. Please speak with me. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is unborn. Tomorrow is unborn. Today is here. Grab it here. These are called some phrasal sentences. You should make your proverbs, your idioms. Personality, I generally focus. All of us are Acharya. I have been Acharya in Shishya Mandir, Vidya Mandir and principal since last 35 years. I have been working in Vidya Bharati. And I can say with pride, with esteem, that I have learned a lot. By this process, the system of Vidya Bharati is really very effective and motivating because it provides many opportunities. but we are not to recognize, to capitalize and to utilize. You should recognize yourself, I can do. You should capitalize your talent. There are three words. Recognize yourself, please speak with me. Recognize yourself, capitalize yourself, and utilize yourself. Recognize yourself that you can do, and capitalize your potential. You have this potential, this talent, this ability, and utilize in your class. So realize, recognize, and capitalize yourself. And we can do all these things while doing only three things. Know yourself. Today I know myself that I cannot speak English very well. But find yourself. How can I not speak? There is problem. There are few problems, few hindrances, few disturbances. That's why I am not able to speak English. Find out these causes. I am hesitant. I am reluctant. I do not have literature. I do not have opportunity. I do not have courage. I do not have willpower. These are my findings. So know yourself, find yourself, then be yourself. Be yourself means whatever you are, you should be the same. Don't try to be Dr. Saab. Dr. Saab is great intellectual, but I cannot be. It doesn't mean that I should not start. Whatever I am, I can do according to my ability, according to my potential, according to my strength. So find yourself, know yourself, then be yourself. First I told you, recognize yourself, realize yourself, and capitalize yourself. Generally we do not capitalize what we have. We are not able to utilize it. That's why I request you all to find yourself, know yourself, and be yourself. Because today this is very shortage of time. That's why I conclude my point. The well begun is half done. Well begun is half done. If you have started, if you have begun, you can do. The problem is to start. Problem is not to done, to do. Problem is to start. Starters with good depth, with good enthusiasm, with good message, with good sharing, with good recording, with good faith, with good confidence, with good realization, with good recognition, with good performance. If we do all these things, we can do. But problem is that we are in the given framework. Once upon a time, a Chaudhry always got late. That he generally went at the station at 9:05. Every day he got late. His boss said, Chaudhry ji, please manage 5 minutes. You can come in time. Chaudhry decided to start this practice. Next day he reached at the station at 8:55. The train came at 9. Train came. Train started. Chaudhry was standing. Train, you left me every day. I leave you today. Train left. The same thing happens with us. English, you discourage me every day. I discourage you today. I will not start. Because only this week cannot complete our requirement. We have to go in time daily. We have to manage time. Don't bother about grammar. Don't bother about fluency. Don't care about impression. Please bother to start to speak. If you do not have anyone, speak with yourself. Record like this. Listen to next day. Give your input. Give your feedback. So get set and go. I wish you all the best on the best occasion, and I will meet you next time with great collection of things. Today I have very short period of time. That's why I am saying sorry not to continue. go forward. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, very much.
बिना किसी और चर्चा में
We are much grateful to you. I think that the main conclusion of
Yes, sir.
yes,
Thank you.
thank you.